So thanks for hanging out, guys. We're, again, kind of in the process really of focusing on writing. We're sort of starting to really create more and more content, and hopefully this week is the time where you're sitting down with your editor, you're going to be talking a little bit more about, again, sort of where you are, how your writing's going, and most importantly, start to map out your plan from now until the end of the process here. So again, this is a process that is a process. While some of you may try to write an entire book in a week or first draft of it, hopefully you can use some of these as a way to kind of keep you marching forward a little bit. So we're going to talk a little more about how to start to tell and create stories using one of the second techniques along the way. So tonight for our session a little bit, we're going to sort of talk about a couple things. One, we're going to sort of do a quick little around the horn here and hear, how's it going? Kind of one cool thing that you're seeing in your book experiences in those ways. So we'll start with kind of the one cool thing. And then we're going to start to spend a few minutes sort of updating our content indexes, kind of sharing a little bit of like what you want to write or what you've thought about writing, again, to prepare you for those first conversations and calls this week with your editor. And then we're going to talk about the Nugget writing process itself as a tool to help you, again, start to do some of your early writing. And then we'll have a little bit of time at the end for workshop time to start to try out Nugget writing as we go.